To bring clarity to this strategy, we are combining existing products and solutions, new innovations and acquisitions into a new product portfolio, which we call Bentley Asset Analytics, which leverages AI to generate insights into the operating conditions of the existing infrastructure assets. Our aim is to cover a wide range of asset classes and data capture techniques, whether through IoT sensors or drones or dashcam or other cutting-edge methods. We extend an invitation to engineering firms to partner with us on this. We want to empower engineering firms to extend their expertise into asset operations. We know that delivering on the promise of AI-driven asset analytics requires close collaboration. Now, the true power of asset analytics comes to life when integrated into a digital twin. A digital twin is more than a dynamic model. It's a digital thread that weaves together data from various sources, creating a clear and evolving view of your infrastructure. This digital thread allows you to connect data from IoT sensors, subsurface exploration, satellite imagery, enterprise systems, and more, aligning all of this information to provide the full context needed for smarter decision-making. Let me give you an example. It is common to undertake facilities checks after an earthquake. This generally involves sending out specialists to do manual assessments, sometimes after the shaking has stopped. Now, consider the value of picking up just a few millimeters of ground movement near an aging dam before a significant earthquake event, so that mitigation action can be taken. By connecting real-time data from remote sensors to the subsurface model, engineers can rerun slope stability assessments and define the appropriate mitigation measures. This is a great example of how, by combining data from different sources, unique insights can be generated, which in this case can dramatically reduce risk on a critical infrastructure asset. So let's take this a step further. One of the most exciting recent developments in our journey of advancing infrastructure is the integration into the digital twin of 3D geospatial capabilities. Since launching iTwin more than 5 years ago, we have learned that a 3D geospatial view is the most intuitive way for owner-operators and engineering services providers to search for and query information about infrastructure networks and assets. After all, infrastructure is of geospatial scale. So with the acquisition of Cesium, we're now able to provide a 3D geospatial view of infrastructure. We are effectively changing the vantage point of an infrastructure digital twin from the engineering model of the infrastructure asset to the planet Earth, upon which we geolocate the engineering model and all the necessary data from the surrounding built and natural environments. The combination of Cesium plus iTwin enables developers to seamlessly align 3D geospatial data with engineering data, subsurface data, IoT data, reality data, enterprise data, to create digital twins with astonishing user experiences that scale from vast infrastructure networks to the millimeter-accurate details of individual assets, viewed from land, sky, and sea, from outer space to deep below the Earth's surface to support engineering workflows. But perhaps the most significant aspect of Cesium is its alignment with Bentley's visions of open standards and interoperability. This means organizations can integrate external data sources, third-party tools, their own analytics into the digital twin. We are not creating another silo. We're enabling ecosystems where data flows securely and enhances decision-making at every level. as we advance towards more sophisticated asset operations and AI-driven insights, one thing has become abundantly clear.